Okay, so this is my almost 2-year-old granddaughter who loves Baba's, it's me, the grandmother's, makeup area. And look at you guys, this is totally disrupted. Everything is disrupted. This is not how I want my makeup to look. Look at everything's jammed in here. And all my makeup here. Oh, look at, whoops, here. I have great stuff, you guys, and I will show it to you when I get it cleaned back up. But I was just laughing because my granddaughter's gotten to everything. Look, I got LA Colors, and I've got Essence and Physician, and this one I think I got Physician Formula, and this one I got from Forever 21 and Stila. So I will show you guys. I'm not trying to tease you, but I thought you'd have to see how this one is very busy with my makeup. And we do start early, don't we, girls? Right? Right, Ellie? Can you say hi? There you go. What a precious. I love you. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. I promise I will have a much better thing. Julie knows that I've been thinking of cleaning up. I've taken everything off walls because I plan to move from this place. It's crazy. Things are, if you saw my family room, you guys, you'd die. I know, I just made you dizzy. Okay, bye.